6.10.8 Applied Lab, prepare for a presentation. So with this one, it has a couple of tasks for us to do. First thing is run the spell checker on the entire presentation. So we're going to come over to our review, do our spelling. Ignore the corrections for the phonetic spelling. So I'm going to ignore all of those. Ignore the suggestions for Stagirius. Accept the top spelling suggestion for the first one for recklessness. And ignore the correction for the Nicomachean on slide 12. We're going to format and print 15 handouts for the class. So I'm going to go File, Print. I'm going to change this to 15. And we want to print out handouts. So our handouts we're going to do 3 slides per page, and we're going to add the following text into the header. We're going to edit the header and footer. And for our notes in our handout, the header is going to say Confucius and Aristotle, and click Apply to All, and select Print there. I'm going to check my answers real quick. So far so good. And then the last part, it says start, navigate through the entire slideshow without using the presenter view. So start the slideshow from the beginning. So I'm going to go back to my first slide, click on that, come down here to this, which is our start slideshow on the bottom right. We're going to click through all 12 slides. And once we get to the end, we're going to click one more time to exit. Check your answers, and that's everything.